welcome to this full moon lunar eclipse energy update and session. So I have meditated and I've gotten three main energies. The overall energy that I am really receiving is that what you've been trying to call in, what you've been trying to manifest is here. You know, it's like we focus so much on doing all this healing and doing all this transformation, but it's here. It's here for us now. And so the first energy that I got was to do any healing that you need to do to feel secure and grounded in this moment, in this space, knowing that there's nothing left for you to really do, rather than, keep an eye on your thoughts and stay in alignment with your intentions and positive habits and all that kind of stuff. But I'm not seeing a giant purge. It's almost like you've done it and it's time to get out of the energy of feeling like you need to keep doing more and more and more and more. The energy right now is bringing everything together. It's the end of a struggle. You've done so much work. Just feel secure and grounded in knowing this. I've gotten, with the second energy, actually two energies came out, so I don't know how these coincide, but these are energies that I felt at the same time, okay, if that makes sense. So I got an end of a lack consciousness, an end of financial constraints if you've been experiencing them, an end of any sort of money blocks, success blocks. Those are falling away, and simultaneously you are finding some kind of love in your life. Okay, so that might be, perhaps this was a lesson that you needed to learn to release lack consciousness, to call in a twin flame or a partner. Perhaps you finding new love has to do with some sort of work that you're doing, or perhaps this is you really feeling a new sense of love for yourself and a new sense of love for others, because you're no longer having this fear coming from a lack mentality that others won't love you, that you're not deserving. And just got this message in my mind: you deserve the best. And this is not coming from any sort of ego, it's coming from the energy that you are divine. And so if you don't feel in this very moment like you deserve the best, I want you to affirm and reaffirm this: I deserve the best in love, in finances, in career, in my internal state, feeling secure, feeling happy, feeling present. You deserve the best. And then the third energy that I got was, it's time to speak your voice. I apologize for those sirens. It's time to, and maybe they're emphasizing this point, it's time to almost step up to the plate and be your authentic self. Now, this can be on a larger scale, such as starting to write a book or doing public speaking or whatever that is for you. Or it can be on a more subtle scale and just being secure in your words when you talk to others, knowing that you have divine messages to share. And now you might not even share these with your words. You can share them through your art. You can share them through your creations. But it's absolutely time for you to step into your authenticity. Now, it is time for you to stop hiding in the shadows. I've been getting this a lot in my personal healing sessions. Stop hiding in the shadows and come into the light, and know that you are the light itself. And so you are just stepping into your true nature and your authentic nature. And I feel like what I said just now, a lot of you already know it. And so maybe this just comes as validation and reassurance. A lot of you are really in tune with what's going on. Okay, so I want to do a quick energy session. I'll be flowing energy to you to really ground in these energies, but any other energies that you personally want to either release or call in or ground in within yourself. And so I'm really feeling we're not going to be setting intentions during this session to kind of send them out. Rather, the purpose of this session is to ground them into the here and now, okay? So I'm just going to put on a little bit of music. If you're able to close your eyes, then do so. You do not have to. Just kind of get into a place where you're feeling grounded and centered. I always start with sacred Reiki symbols. It helps me connect to your energy. So no matter when you watch this, how many times you watch this, you will always be getting an energy clearing, healing, grounding session. So as you feel yourself secure in your body, in the here and now, knowing that there's nothing more to worry about, there's nothing more to stress about, it's all unfolding for you in the perfect divine manner. Just imagine that you are being protected by a golden light that is coming down from the heavens, surrounding your entire being, going down to Mother Earth, continuously running through you, continuously clearing you, continuously protecting you. And with this golden light, we allow it to wash away any emotions that we are done with, that we know are not part of us, that are just energies that we have fed into in the past. Wash these emotions out of you now. Imagine that they're washing throughout your entire body, all the way down through the bottoms of your feet, going down to Mother Earth to be alchemized and transmuted back into light energy. Feelings of fear and doubt and anxiety, not worthy, feelings of lack, wash these all out now. Any last little remnants that might be hanging on, that is known to you or unknown to you, we're washing these away now, releasing them now. All buried emotions, anything from past lives, all cords that are no longer serving you, dissolving now. So that we're able to start fresh in this very moment, a new beginning like a newborn baby. Just breathe into this. It is done, it is done, it is done. Imagine this golden light washing through every single neural connection that you have within your brain, every single connection that you have within your nervous system, all the systems of your body. And with this golden light, we are washing away, we are alchemizing, we are transforming all subconscious limiting beliefs, all patterns of thought that no longer serve you, all perspectives that you wish to release now. Just imagine that these are all washing down, sending them down to Mother Earth. We are free, we are clear of these. It is done, it is done, it is done. Any habits that you wish to let go of, send those down. Allow this golden light to wash these down. Habits of procrastination, unhealthy lifestyle, lack of discipline, whatever it is for you, wash these away now. It is done. It is done. It is done. And now feel yourself grounded in this very space. Ground in the new energy within you of your intentions, of these long-held intentions. Start with the emotions that you want to ground into your energy now. Peace, love, joy, happiness. Ground these in. Allow a smile to come across your face. Ground thinking patterns in, belief systems in. Consciousness of abundance, beliefs, knowing that you are worthy and deserving, the belief that you are a powerful creator in your world, the belief that everything that you have been trying to manifest, trying to intend for yourself is here now. And we send special energy to your throat chakra with the intention of however you need to express yourself in this world. You do so freely, openly, and confidently in all moments. And now ground in the energy of all the experiences and situations that you are and have manifested. Every single one of them has come true, internally and externally. Feel yourself in this reality. There is nothing left to worry about. The struggle is over. You are here. You have made it. It is here for you now. We ground this in to your being. We ground in trust, gratitude, freedom. Feel this in your body. We ground in love. We ground in abundance, wealth, and prosperity in all forms. We ground in success in whatever way that means for you. We ground in peace. We ground in presence and the ability to enjoy each moment fully. We ground in the fullest expression of your divinity and your light, your authenticity. You are that person now. We ground in the energy of every single outside circumstance or situation you have been trying to manifest. We ground all this energy in now. With an unshakable confidence. A mindset that supports you and builds you up always. a complete freedom from guilt, shame, and resentment. You are free of these now. You are love. You are love. The very core of your being, you are worthy. Feel this. Begin to deepen your breath, feeling yourself in the here and now. How you feel in this very moment is how you will feel moving forward always, until you decide to level up or shift or transcend how you're feeling now to something even better. But there's no going back. You have crossed over the bridge. You have grounded this energy in. So I do encourage you to listen to this part of the video as often as you need, maybe on a daily basis. Each time grounding in more and more of this energy. So I'm entering your energetic field and just wiping off all that you've released. I'm wiping off mine. I'm sealing this energy in, disconnecting from your energy. So be it and so it is. Give thanks. Okay. So be it and so it is. Happy full moon. And if you're new to my channel, please like, subscribe, comment, and if you're interested in personal services of healing, energy sessions like this that are available on video or MP3, all that information is below. So much love and light to you.